The journey begins at skin level, where dew clings to a ripe tomato like glass. Rows stretch to the horizon, agriculture at scale, disciplined by geometry. In controlled air, seedlings rise, small, fragile, engineered for yield. Root meets soil, water follows, the system starts breathing. Time moves silently here, growth written in light, wind, and irrigation pulses. Flowers harden into fruit, pollination becomes production. Water beads, then disappears, everything measured, nothing wasted. Tires compress earth, dust lifts, the field keeps its rhythm. Inspection is constant, leaf, stem, color, density. Data becomes certainty. A sea of red appears, unbelievable volume, completely real. Harvest begins, belts turn, the machine enters like a slow metal tide. Inside the harvester, separation is gentle, vines removed, fruit preserved. One tomato lands, rolls, settles. The conveyor decides the pace. Bins fill with weight. Forklifts glide in, precise and quiet. Then the pour. Tomatoes cascade like a red waterfall into steel. Dust swirls near the tires, and then the load locks into place. Tarp pulled tight, straps cinched down, freshness sealed under tension. Convoy movement begins, orderly, scheduled, unstoppable. Highway miles compress the clock, speed without chaos. The factory appears, steel, glass, and robotic silhouettes behind light. Security gates lift, cameras track, entry is controlled. Weight is recorded, every pound accounted for. Dock doors rise, cold air spills out like a signal. Process starts now. The hopper receives the harvest. Gravity does the first work. A conveyor river forms, shining skins under bright industrial light. High-pressure washing begins. Water, foam, flow. A robotic arm intervenes. One gentle correction, zero hesitation. Nozzles fan perfectly. Coverage engineered down to the droplet. Optical systems analyze in milliseconds. Color, shape, surface, defect. Rejection is silent. One imperfect tomato is diverted. The line never stops. Sorting tightens the stream. Chaos becomes single file order. Cutting begins behind safety glass, fast blades, controlled risk. The fruit becomes flow, thick red pulp moving through sanitary steel. Heat exchangers wake up, steam curls, gauges tremble. Massive tanks rise overhead, industrial scale built for constant output. Inside, the sauce rotates slowly, vortexed into uniformity. Microdosing begins, measure drops, time to chemistry. Samples are pulled sterile, Automation collecting truth in a vial. Viscosity is tested. Flow behavior becomes a quality signature. Air is managed too. Vents and filtration guiding aroma away from the line. Sterilization corridors shine. Steel cleaned until it mirrors light. Filling heads align. Mechanical choreography at full speed. Robotic arms feed containers. Pick, rotate, place, perfect repetition. And the pour begins. Vertical streams, glossy surfaces, ripples that settle. Cap seat and lock. Torque measured, alignment verified. Seal inspection scans each lid. Precision enforced by vision. Lot codes print instantly. Time stamped into every unit. Cooling tunnels breathe mist. Condensation forms, then slides away. Labels wrap clean and flat. No bubbles, no drift, no tolerance. Pack-out merges the lanes, like arteries joining into one steady stream. Cartons fold into shape. Paper becomes structure under machine pressure. Case filling counts perfectly. Exact units, exact placement, exact rhythm. X-ray and detection systems confirm purity. Hidden risks eliminated. Weight checks finalize the truth. Pass, release, continue. Palletizing begins. Robot arms stacking order into towering form. Vacuum grip seals. Lift, hold. Power controlled through soft suction. Stretch wrap spins. Clear film tightening into a protective shell. Labels apply. Identity and destination locked onto the load. Pallet stage in silence. Rows waiting under clean warehouse light. Dock doors open. A truck backs in. Red reverse light paints the floor. Forklift approaches. Smooth entry, clean lift, no impact. Inside the trailer, straps tighten. Cargo becomes immovable. Container doors close. Locking bars rotate into final certainty. Trucks depart. Factory glow behind them like a steady beacon. Logistics takes over. Yards, cranes, chassis, motion at system scale. Distribution centers accelerate the flow. Scan, route, release. Supermarket docks receive the load. Cold concrete, early light, fast transfer. Shelves fill with order. Rows of finished product facing forward. A cart takes one unit, industry condensed into a single choice. In the kitchen, the final transformation, sauce hits heat and becomes comfort. Back to the field. Dusk settles, leaves move, the land goes quiet.